Coming up, I catch Brightline trains on the northern end of their corridor in Brevard County in May 2025. This would be my first time catching the newly extended 6-car trains. We'll start at the Cocoa Curve and work south from there. Here we have bright pink passing through the Cocoa Box Jack Tunnel southbound. You'll notice the one odd-colored coach in the train. This was filmed after the first 5 coaches arrived to start creating 6-car trains, but before the next 5, which could fully lengthen all 10 of the trains. Because this would result in only 5 of the trains being lengthened, Brightline decided to reduce its fleet by 1 train set temporarily to donate cars to the other trains. This meant that all the trains would be 6 coaches long. This simplified scheduling as all the trains would have the same number of cars and therefore be used on any departure. While I was here, Florida East Coast Railway local train 915 arrived as a light engine. The 915 is based out of Titusville, but its delivery today of aggregate gondolas had come north on Unit Train 336, which runs overnight from Medley, Florida near Miami, to the Cemex City Point facility here in Cocoa. They were left on one of the tracks at City Point to be picked up. After stopping past the turnout and signal into the facility, it backed down the lead to go pick up the gondolas. Here is part of that reverse into the facility sped up. You can see the gondolas on the track splitting off to the left here. While it picked up its train, I moved south to West Highlands Drive. Here's the 915 coming around the curve and arriving here a short while later. It came to a stop so it could access the lead to the Cocoa Rockledge yard, where it would pull the empty gondolas there and place these loads. Viewers of Virtual Railfan's Cocoa webcam will recognize this location, as those cameras are located here. I didn't have time to watch the rest of this delivery process, unfortunately, so we'll continue on farther south for Brightline catches at Gusset Boulevard and Barnes Boulevard. We'll start with the train wrapped for NYU Langone Health, also known as Bright Purple, northbound. Next at Barnes Boulevard is this year's wrap for the Palm Beaches. The Palm Beaches has been a regular sponsor of wraps the past several summers. It is passing through CP Bonaventure here. Next up here is another southbound, Bright Pink. Our final stop is Sentry Blvd. First up is the Bright Purple wrap, northbound. Next is the Kissimmee wrap, northbound. A final nighttime catch here is a northbound. As a bonus, here's a quick catch of the Palm Beaches wrap at Orlando International Airport. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.